How to disable block pop-up settings on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable block pop-ups on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and here just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click settings and scroll down until you find browsing privacy dashboard. Click on it and here you will find this one, block pop-ups. If you want to disable it, just click on it, one click, and as you see block pop-ups have been disabled. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.